Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Salbutamol inhaler. My name is Jignesh Sangani. I'm a pharmacist that specializes in both asthma and COPD. If you want to learn more about asthma or COPD, then hit the subscribe button below. Give your inhaler a good shake, then breathe out. You then want to put the inhaler in your mouth and form a tight seal with your lips and the inhaler mouthpiece. Make sure your chin is not pointing downwards and is level, like this. Now, you want to start breathing in, and as you breathe in, press your inhaler. You then want to take a slow and steady breath in and hold it for 10 seconds or as long as you feel comfortable, like this. Now, let's run through all of those steps together. Shake your inhaler, breathe out. Did you know there's a way to get more from your inhaler and maybe help it work better? Well, before I talk about this, if you want to check on how well your asthma is controlled, have a look for the link in the description below. You'll find free resources on assessing your asthma control and learning about asthma. Now, I'd recommend you check out this video over here on how a spacer can help your inhaler work better.